exploring how a bulldozer battles a snowstorm. When a powerful snowstorm descends upon cities and towns, it brings more than just picturesque winter scenes, it brings chaos. Roads become impassable, vehicles are stranded, and daily life grinds to a halt. In these moments, one of the most powerful and essential machines comes roaring to life, the bulldozer. Designed for strength, stability, and endurance, bulldozers are an unlikely yet heroic figure in the fight against heavy snowfall. The role of a bulldozer in snowstorm response. Though typically used for construction, earth moving, and demolition, bulldozers have found a critical role in snow management, especially in areas where snowfall is heavy and persistent. During a snowstorm, highways, rural roads, airport runways, and even remote access roads can be rendered useless. Bulldozers, with their immense torque and traction, are uniquely capable of clearing paths where other snow removal equipment might falter. Unlike standard snowplows, bulldozers can handle deep drifts, hard-packed snow, and ice layers thanks to their heavy-duty steel blades and robust undercarriages. Their weight and power allow them to cut through snowbanks several feet high and push them aside with minimal resistance. Bulldozers can also be fitted with V-blades or angle blades specifically designed to move snow efficiently. Anatomy of a snow-fighting machine. The typical bulldozer used during snowstorms is a tracked vehicle. The tracks give it better stability and weight distribution over soft or uneven ground, which is common during and after snowstorms. Their wide blades, sometimes measuring up to 14 feet across, push large volumes of snow quickly, making them ideal for emergency snow clearing. In areas prone to extreme winter conditions such as Alaska, northern Canada, and parts of Scandinavia, specialized snow bulldozers are even more rugged. They may be equipped with heated blades, snow chains, or even remote control operation for dangerous terrains. Operating a bulldozer during an active snowstorm is no small feat. Visibility can be limited to just a few feet, temperatures can plunge well below zero, and the snow itself can range from light and fluffy to heavy and icy. Skilled operators are trained to read the snow's texture and density, anticipate wind patterns that could create drifts, and identify safe dumping locations to avoid future blockages or flooding. Bulldozers are also essential in creating access for emergency vehicles. When ambulances or fire trucks can't reach affected areas due to snow buildup, bulldozers are often the first machines in to clear a path. They are also deployed to reopen key infrastructure routes, such as highways and railways, as quickly as possible. Real-world example: bulldozers in action. During the record-breaking snowstorm in Buffalo, New York, in 2022, over 80 inches of snow fell in just a few days. While conventional snowplows managed main roads, it was bulldozers that were called in to deal with the massive snowdrifts burying side streets and alleyways. Bulldozers were instrumental in digging out stranded vehicles, freeing up emergency routes, and helping restore access to utility crews and supplies. Similarly, during the Siberian blizzards that frequently hit the Russian Far East, bulldozers are one of the first machines deployed to maintain supply routes and keep mining operations running despite feet of snow and sub-zero temperatures. Environmental and safety considerations. While bulldozers are incredibly powerful, using them during snowstorms isn't without risks. Care must be taken not to damage hidden infrastructure, such as curbs, water mains, or utility boxes buried under the snow. Operators must be highly alert and experienced, especially when working near populated or residential areas. Fuel consumption is another factor. Bulldozers consume significant amounts of diesel, which can be a concern both economically and environmentally. Newer models aim to mitigate this with cleaner engines and more efficient hydraulic systems. The unsung heroes of winter. While snowplows often take center stage in winter weather reports, bulldozers are the unsung heroes that take on the heaviest lifting. Whether clearing blocked highways, carving through remote mountain passes, or making way for emergency services in a blizzard's wake, these machines are indispensable. In the end, the bulldozer isn't just a tool of brute strength, it's a lifeline in times of winter crisis. Its ability to withstand the elements and restore order in the midst of nature's fury makes it a critical asset in the arsenal of winter response teams worldwide. As climate patterns shift and extreme weather becomes more frequent, the role of the bulldozer in battling snowstorms is only likely to grow.